Laptop screen replacement for Toshiba satellite C855-S5350. My name is Amber and I'm 15 years old. If I can do this, then I'm sure that you can. The first thing you do is cut off all power to your laptop, remove the battery, and make sure that nothing is plugged in. The next thing you do is open your computer and remove the rubber screw protectors from each corner of your laptop screen. Remove the screws from the four corners and set them aside. Keep them and the rubber protectors together in a pile. When that's done, remove the screen bezel or the screen cover. Clamp the screen and the back together to keep it from falling off. Set the screen itself down like you're closing your laptop. You should see a wire connecting to the screen. This is the video connector. Remove it very carefully. The screen is free. Set that one aside and get the replacement. Remove the screen cover and set it on the keyboard. Set the new screen down on top of it. Carefully reconnect the video connector. The best way to do this is position it and pull it the rest of the way in with the clear tape in front. The connector should be flat against the screen if it's put in right. Place the screen back into its frame and clamp the side that you're not using. Screw the screen back into the frame. Set the screen backing into the screen. The two metal prongs on the screen frame should fit into the plastic and screw holes in the backing. Make sure you're not hitting any wires, and then clamp it. Get the screen cover out of the way and replace the screen bezel. Pop it back into place and make sure you're not hitting any wires. Replace the screws in the screw protectors. Replace the battery and lock it back into place. Flip your computer back and turn it on. Alright, it works. If your screen's completely white then you did it wrong. Go back and fix the video connector. Here's the broken screen with all its cracks. Thanks for watching.